Okay, I think we're going to get started because we have a pretty full schedule and not a real lot of time, and a few people will be coming in, I guess, from outside. I think we've got a very exciting panel today to look at the topic Copenhagen and beyond, 3 perspectives on agriculture and climate change. I think, as we said in the flyer, I think there's a lot of different opinions and assessments of what happened in Copenhagen. Though I think I would say that anybody who believes that climate change is happening and that maybe even perhaps people have something to do with it probably was pretty disappointed by the outcome. But we have 3 people who spend a lot of time there at the meetings and who also work intensively on this topic here today. So I'll just introduce all 3 to begin with. First up will be William Hohenstein, who's the director of the Climate Change Program Office at USDA. This office is a focal point for support to the Secretary of Agriculture on the causes and consequences of climate change, and also is heavily involved in strategies for addressing climate change within the U.S. government. David Watzko will be next. He's the Climate Change Program Director at the Washington office of Oxfam America. Has worked in the past also as International Program Director at Friends of the Earth U.S., so also has a very broad experience in the area of climate change. And then finally we'll have Gerald Nelson, who's a Senior Research Fellow here at IFPRI in the Environment and Production Technology Division, who heads up and coordinates our work on climate change here at IFPRI.